I'm going to show you how you can verify your Instagram profile in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So by verifying your profile, you will have like a badge right there on your profile, just like any famous. So if we search for any famous account you want, you will probably see a verified badge like this. So to request that or to get that on your profile, all you need to do is open Instagram and click right here. Then go to Account Center. And right here, you need to scroll down to the bottom where you will see, so your profile is verified. So if you click there, you will see like a waitlist for Meta Verified. And by accessing this Meta Verified, you will get the badge, you will get better account protection, you will get better support, you will have different profile features and unique stickers. So you need to click on Join Waitlist, and this way you will be on the waitlist, and after the countdown the support will check your profile, and if your account is very active, as you can see right here at the bottom, this process will take less. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.